everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to do my silk press routine, and I am starting out on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be going in with the Lotta Body coconut and shea oil sleek me blowout lotion, and I'm just using a super small amount because this stuff could get really greasy really fast and it could weigh your hair down if you use too much. I'm also going to go in with my Tresemme heat tamer spray, and then I'm just taking my Salia hair dryer, and first I'm just doing the tension method just so I won't be manipulating into my hair as much and putting as much stress on it with this paddle brush. So I'm just going through each section, trying to get my hair as smooth as possible, and I am in need for another blow dry paddle brush. This one, the bristles are kind of bending, so I'm just trying to be careful not to, cause too much stress to my hair, but for now it's getting the job done until I get a new one. And I did also put a rinse in my hair, so if you're looking at my fingernails in this video and they look dirty, my nails aren't dirty. That is from the dye from the rinse that I put in my hair. And I also did a light protein treatment just because a few weeks ago I did go to the salon and she used a titanium flat iron, so I like to do a light protein treatment anytime I use a titanium flat iron, and the only time I use the titanium flat iron is when she does my silk presses at the salon, just because I noticed that my curl is a bit looser after she uses the titanium flat iron. So yeah, I just want to make sure that my hair is healthy and strong, so I did feel like I did need that protein treatment. And I do use the G Keratin 2-minute reconstructor just because my hair cannot handle a lot of protein because I'm still low porosity. And here is what my hair is looking like. Very soft, very, very nice and flowy, as you can see. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Chi Silk Infusion, being careful not to use too much. And I'm going to go in with my Sea-Doo ceramic flat iron, and I do use the highest setting, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm just doing the chase method just to make sure I get everything nice and sleek as possible. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a like if you enjoy the video and these type of videos. I do want to do more silk press videos here on my channel, so be sure to subscribe. And as you can see, my hair is coming out really, really nice and shiny. And I do use the Clear All hair rinse, which also makes my hair super duper shiny anytime I do the rinse. It just adds a really, really nice shine and gloss to the hair. I love using that rinse. is my hair. Very, very shiny, as you can see. And here is the back, nice, even blunt ends. And here is the slow-mo, very nice, bouncy hair. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.